If you want to see the coolest minting experience ever, look no further than Derp Birds Pred Invasion. I'm going to take you through one of my mints. Begin invasion. So you're on derpbirds.io Pred. Begin here. Pulls up our wallet. Now I can sacrifice any of these derp assets that I have in this wallet. I'm going to go ahead and choose this lady here. We're going to select fuel. It costs 1 egg to mint. And then I can add eggs if I want to do more luck. I'm just going to keep it at 25 battle preparedness. Finalize. Begin invasion. And let's see how quickly this happens after I get done signing the transaction. Now we wait. And it'll depend on how fast the blockchain is running right now. But we can see our transaction here soon. And there it is. I got a Pred is done and in my wallet just like that.